Welcome to another session of Sam's Microsoft Office tutorials, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create an organization chart. An organization chart is a visual representation of an organization structure showing the relationship and the hierarchy among employees, departments, and other entities. The organization chart also illustrates the chain of command, role, and responsibilities within the organization. So from here, we are going to recreate an organization chart from scratch. We are going to open a new Excel sheet. So we have opened a new Excel sheet. For us to create this organization chart, we go to the Insert tab, and remember that each tab is divided into groups. We now go to the Illustration group. Under the Illustration group, we select this Smart Art graphic. So we click on this Smart Art graphic. It takes us to this window. So we have a list of designs or graphics. So when we select hierarchy, we see a variety of different organization structures. So let's select the first one and see how our organization chart will look like. So when we click on the first one, we see that the structure appears on the left hand side of our windows. We can now click OK. When we click on OK, this is how our organization chart will look like. So on the left hand side of our ribbon, click on text pan. When you click on text pan, you see this a small window on our screen. So what we do is select all the text here where you see type your text here. So we are going to click on Control A to select everything on this text pan, and we click on the backspace key on your keyboard to delete so that we can easily enter our text. So click on delete key. Then from here I will enter the organization structure so that it will appear on our organization chart. So the first one from my sample organization, we have General Assembly. I will now enter General Assembly. Then I'll click on enter, and the next one I have here is the General Manager. So I will enter the text General Manager, then click on enter to enter the next one, which we have Internal Controller. And the next one we have Branch Manager. So don't worry, at the end of the text I will show you how to organize these shapes that will give a suitable organizational chart for us. So click on enter again, enter the other one. Let me say Branch Accountant. Enter again. To enter the next level of command, we have the Cashier. Enter the other one. We have the Supervisory Board. And the other one, we have the Loan Officer. And the other one, we have the Education Board. We also have the Board of Directors. we have the board of directors, and we also have the audit committee. And lastly, we have the credit committee. So from here, we can now start structuring our organization. We see that the General Assembly controls the activities of all these departments. So we select all these departments and click on the tab key on their keyboard. So from here, we see that the General Manager controls the activities of the internal controller, the branch manager, the branch accountant, the cashier. So from here, we will select this other line of responsibilities and click on the tab key. So from here, we also see that the supervisory board controls the activities of the loan officer and the education board. So let me highlight the loan officer and the education board and click on the tab key. From here, we see that the board of directors control the activities of the audit committee and the credit committee. So we select the audit committee and the credit committee and click on the tab key. We can now see that the organization chart has been formed. So we can also see that the branch manager controls the activities of the cashier and the branch accountant. So we highlight these two and click on the tab key. And we can also change the color of our shapes. So let's click on shapes, select any shape of our choice. Let me select on this one, and we can now see that the color of our shapes has changed. So let me enlarge the structure to make it more visible. And from here we can see how our structure is. For us to make these lines more visible, the lines linking each hierarchy or each position, we place our cursor on these lines, and when it turns to a cross, we hold our control key, click on it, and it is selected. Hold the cursor on each line, and when it turns to a cross, we click on it. So we click these lines, select all these lines. Make sure you hold down your control key. While selecting, don't leave your control key on your keyboard. So after selecting, click on this format tab, which is above the ribbon. Click on it, and you see this line will appear on this ribbon. You can click on this drop down. So I will select this intense line. So I'll click on it, and you see that these lines are more visible, and you can select the ones which you did not select in the first place. Click on this dark line. So you see that your organization chart has been formed. So I will go above the organization chart, select a line, and make sure that the home tab is selected, and under the home tab select match and center. After selecting this, click inside the cells that you have matched and type the name of your organization. Let me say the organization chart of ABC Company or ABC Bank. So this is how to create an organization chart in Excel. Click within the text and select all. Click on bold to make it more visible. And you can also increase the font text by clicking on this letter.